Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my channel, and I'm GautamM. Recently I have uploaded a video on QR code scanning of Diksha app. So I've seen that a huge response from my students regarding that matter. So I think I can go some more steps to understand you about the app. If you're coming for the first time to this channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon to find all the updates at first. And now going to the main topic. So I'm going to show you that this is Diksha. You will find it where? You will find it here in Play Store. Go and type Diksha. If you type only DIK, you will find Diksha and go here. I have already installed, so I will get this switch and I'm going to click and it open with this interface. I'm describing it in very simple English for my students who were interested in English but hesitate to speak. So I want to show you that you can speak slowly, and please do not hesitate to speak, because English is not very a hard language. Always we use it. I'm from an Assamese background, but I'm speaking it quite fluently, so you can also try. And let's the topic. You can find here, this is the app, and here is my name, and you have to search here and go. You will get digital textbook, courses, videos, interactive elements, TV classes and audio. Here are some courses here, everything related to your course, and the video classes explained by the renowned speaker, or what you can say, the professors and educationists of India, famous educationists. They have explained the different topics. And you can also find your nearest or your own language, in your own language. You can find here, if you type here Assamese, 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 then you will find here the Assamese text. You will also get here, I'm going to show you. Okay, if you are a teacher, then you can find here your materials, students, parents and guardian, and head teacher and officials. Also CBSE, NCERT, I got health. This is one kind of a course, and these are the states of India: state Arunachal Pradesh, state Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, and you will get all the states. Now I'm going to click Assam. You will find your own material in your own language. Ohomia Sahitya Soyanika class 9 and Ohomia Sahitya Soyanika class 10, Onyor Proti Byabohar. You will find your book over here. If you're going somewhere, you forgot to carry your book, then you can use your phone. And now all of you have an Android phone. and also government of Assam are going to provide you the phone, mobile phone. So you can click this app also along with your different type of apps. So I'm going to click this chapter. So what will open? Let's see. So this is text. This is a chapter from class 10. Okay. কিহৰ গুণত মানুহে সকলোৰে মৰম পায়? ব্যৱহাৰৰ গুণত. I'm going to click it. Okay, this is correct answer. You can check yourself, your study, your assessment through this app. Okay, I'm going to back. Okay, let's go. So this is science chapter. This is for science. This is some other chapter. Mudra aru bank ব্যবস্থা. Muamoria Ganobitru. Burmese sensation of Assam. This is English medium. So very interesting app. You will find everything from your course, and you can enjoy it. When you feel bored with your textbooks, then you can click here and you will find lot more things which are more than your imagination. So kindly download this app, use it, and you can take the good things from here and also try to speak in English. And if you are practicing it, then please comment in my comment box. So I hope all of my students will benefited from this video, and if you were benefited, then please comment and give me some suggestions for further topics. So best wishes to you, and at last again, please like, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.